when you write your answers, when you write, express yourself, be it in GS, be it in political science and international relations. See, आपका आंसर राइटिंग बहुत ज्यादा कवर हो जाएगा, इंप्रूव हो जाएगा with your optional. A good optional should improve your answers of GS as well, because you come to know about the sense of answer writing or the art of answer writing. And obviously I'll be giving you a lot of questions. So the statement which I gave you, I'll just repeat, that man is not self-sufficient. He needs to lead a life, usko aisi zindagi jeeni hai, where he can live in peace and harmony with others. Socrates, obviously. This was given by Socrates. He tells you to explain this statement. So first of all, I told you tips for answer writing, how to write answers. सबसे पहले, who? Obviously, Socrates. This is already given. Sometimes you may not be given this. You have to judge it, and you will be able to judge it when you complete all the course. जब आप पूरा course पूरा कर लेंगे, you will come to know that if he is talking about the philosopher king, that must be Plato. If he is talking about law, it must be Aristotle. If he is talking about liberty, it could be J.S. Mill or John Locke or whatsoever. ये चीजें होंगी, आपको पता लग जाएगा. So finally, who? Matlab, it's already given in the question. You do not need to worry about this aspect of your answer. Then, in what context? That is, why is Socrates saying this? ये ऐसा क्यों बोल रहा है? Why? The why part. And then what? That is explanation. So these are the major things which you have to ponder in a question. First of all, you need to judge that who has said this. Sometimes it is not possible to judge, because there are 100 books on political theory. He may give you any one of the statements which you would not have heard. So that hardly matters who has said this. You need to understand the context, that why has it been said. And then when you once understand the context, then you obviously come to know that what is the reason behind saying that statement, or what has been said in that statement. And then the conclusion, obviously. The fourth thing in a good answer should be conclusion. It should be rational. Matlab, it should be to the point. Do not try to think out of the box. Matlab, do not unnecessary, because this is an optional subject. Do not unnecessarily venture into, the literature and the history and all that. इतना ज़्यादा हमने नहीं करना. जो पूछा है, simple वो बता दो. It should be progressive. It should be positive. It should be rational. It should not be absurd. It should not be impractical. You can also connect it to the present. That yes, the present relevance of Plato or Socrates. If he's asked you, definitely tell him. Otherwise, if you feel that there is a need, just justify. So, yes, anyone. What is the context of this statement? Yes. Yes. Socrates ने ये चीज क्यों बोली है? Yes, anyone. Why has Mr. Socrates said this? Anyone. Man is not self-sufficient. It answers my question. That man needs. Yes, Baljit. Okay, Rishabh. Rishabh says interdependency. Yes, that is obviously true. But what is it telling you about the nature of the Socratic school?
So he was living in a society which was dominated by sophists. So individualism was prevalent over there, sir. So it is a statement to counter individualism, sir.
It is a statement that man is not self-sufficient alone. He needs society. So the whole is not prior to the whole is prior to self. I told you, man is a which type of animal? Yes, social animal. Man is a social animal. And what have we read about Socrates? We've read about Socrates, his theory of knowledge. We've not read anything else about Socrates. So, will he ask you a question from elsewhere? No, he will not ask you. He will not ask you about his personal life and why he drank hammock and whatsoever. He'll only ask you, or your work is to link what he's asked with what you have studied, because you have to trust me. आपको ट्रस्ट करना है कि ये इंसान वो चीज पढ़ाएगा जो यूपीएससी रेलिवेंट होगा. अदरवाइज सॉक्रेटिस को पूरा एक साल पढ़ लो, उनके 4 चेले हैं, चारों चेलों को पढ़ लो, उनमें से सिर्फ प्लेटो हमने पढ़ना है. सो बेसिकली मैन इज अ सोशल एनिमल. I told you, why did he give his theory of knowledge? Yes, Shubham is absolutely right actually. Why did he give his theory of knowledge? Yes, Janvi, उसने अपना theory of knowledge क्यों दिया? Kamya, you are absolutely bang on. Yes, Janvi, why did he give his theory of knowledge? Baljeet or Janvi or Bhavya?
Because the knowledge is virtue.
Knowledge is virtue. And did he want to criticize someone when he was giving his theory of knowledge? Was he critical of something that he wanted to give you a logic that knowledge is good? Yes.
Some materialism and the sophist school of thought.
Anyone else? Yes, Tamanna says sophists. Yes, he wanted to criticize the overall atmosphere because उस time society बहुत जैसे भव्य ने कहा ethics and morality, उस time society बहुत ज्यादा क्या हो गई थी, corrupt हो गई थी एथेंस की. क्यों? क्योंकि वहां जो टीचर थे वो unethical थे. What were they teaching the people of Athens? They were teaching the people of Athens might is right, self-interest over the collective interest. Then he said that, man has a virtuous, in order to have a virtuous life, he needs good knowledge. And that knowledge has to be a good, in order to become a good human being, you have to have the appropriate knowledge. And who should you go to gain the knowledge? Should you go to sophist? No. आप अपने सोल में झांकें, लॉजिकल आर्ग्यूमेंटेशन और रीजनिंग करें कि क्या ये अच्छी चीज मैं कर रहा हूं, क्या ये बुरी चीज मैं कर रहा हूं, am I doing good or am I doing bad? And after that, yes, you would reach a conclusion, that is the synthesis, that yes, it is not just important to be a good craftsman, it is also important to be a good human being. If every person of a society thinks alike, would the society not be a harmonious one? Yes, the society would be a harmonious one. It also emphasizes on the socialist nature of the Socratic school. ये जो Socratic school है, was it individualist in its orientation? No, it was socialist, or it thought about the larger social good, that is the ethical society. And I told you that time society was equal to state. They were all concerned about their state कि Athens जो है अच्छा होना चाहिए. Yes, have you people understood? Yes, Bhavya is absolutely right. Rulers and citizens lack ethics and morality. Absolutely, Shubham. Dialectics over rhetorics. Can you people correlate this? Can you people correlate this, my dear friends?
Yes, sir.
Is there anyone who cannot do it, who has not yet understood it? Baljeet and company and everyone, I'll make you write this answer, because it is only the beginning of your political science. You may not be able to write appropriate answers yourself. It will take some time, but understanding is important as for now. क्या आप लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Just write down the answer to this question. Look at the above statement.